Yeah, this is it finally. As you know, my name is Javane of Dime Media, and this is my 2008 Honda Civic SI, also known as the FA5, and this is what replaced my Integra. Yeah, Honda boy to the fullest, I guess. I'm never getting another car. Alright, cool. So this is my third car for some odd reason, and I'm only 22. Dang. Trash. Alright. So, reason why I really sold the Integra is because I didn't really see it going anywhere at this time, point in time. So I really just wanted something else, and the Civic was always one of the cars that I actually really liked. And it's a Honda, and I like Hondas a lot for some odd reason. Although I will say, and JT and Wayne can tell you, this was not going to be the car I actually bought. The car I was going to buy was a Mazda Speed 3, and just didn't happen. I just changed my mind last minute, and this just popped up out of nowhere, and we were like, alright, cool, this is it. So so far what you see on the car is how I got it, with the bra on the front. The wheels are MST M11s, if I'm not mistaken. It's got some coilovers on there. I will probably change those because these are kind of sketchy, honestly speaking. I think they're from like eBay or something, but probably change that. In terms of modification for this car, I'm not really going for power. I just want the car to look really nice. So wheels probably stay the same for a little bit. I need a paint job. I will paint it at some point. Stay the same color. Doing a big wing on here. I was gonna go the Mugen wing, but nah, I'm gonna get like a picnic table and put it on the back of the car. And yeah, probably change the front. Get like the bumper with the fog lights and all that. But yeah, this is it. I don't know if I forgot anything else that I talking about. Yeah, this is my new baby. So, you know, it's fun so far, and we'll see how this journey goes. Hopefully a good one. Hopefully I have this car for a long time. Hopefully speaking, because, you know, I get bored pretty quickly. But yeah, I guess that's it, bro. Oh yeah, I forgot. Before I go, do make sure you follow Dime Media on Instagram at dime.media. And shout out to the homies, Wayne, JT. I think it's like 1 o'clock in the morning and we out here. So yeah. Also, before I go, my other homies who might be mad because I don't have an Integra anymore, but hopefully not. Rob, Zion, Brett, Dylan, Olin. I hope I don't forget anyone else. John. Yeah, John. All the homies, the Integra chat. Y'all lit. Thanks for all the advice and all. And, you know, that's it. I'm going home because I'm hungry.